We're here with what used to be JZ. What's the last initial now?
JF.
JF. Okay.
Yes.
Who's now? How old are you now?
I'm 22.
And you started Ortho K when you were
What, 9 years old?
9 years old. So you've been in Ortho K for how many years? Wow.
Yes.
That's really amazing. And what do you notice?
My vision has been great. I don't know the numbers exactly, but I don't think it's deteriorated that much.
It hasn't deteriorated at all.
Oh, amazing.
As a matter of fact, you saw down to a 20/20 with each eye,
Wow.
and you're doing awesome. What do you notice in terms of being able to see?
It's great. I can see clearly during the day, and I don't have to be wearing contacts, and it's great. And I've gotten used to wearing them at night, so I don't find them uncomfortable at all. And I've only stepped on 2 of them over the course of my 13 years. So we've been very fortunate.
Yeah. Wow. You've been in Ortho K 13 years, so you've been in Ortho K longer than you've been out of Ortho K. So that's great.
Yeah,
And if you would drive, you'd probably be able to see clearly, right?
Yeah.
What do you notice about? What kind of work do you do now?
I'm a computer science student.
So you're spending a lot of time on computer.
Yes.
How's your screen?
Clear.
Everything's clear. That's
Yes.
wonderful.
Yes.
And I remember you said that when you learned originally, it was your mom that was inserting and removing your lenses,
Yes.
and now you're probably doing it on your own.
It's true.
Yeah. And you feel independent.
Yes. Very
So
much.
overall, what would you tell other people?
I would highly recommend the Ortho K lenses. They've been great for me, and all of my sisters have tried them out. We've been very happy, and yeah, I would highly recommend.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing.